Okay, we are recording. It is May the 2nd at 12:23 p.m. here in Hermitage, Tennessee. I've done a bit of playing. I have not got everything arranged like I want. For instance, I've got to move all this and get the screen moved to this way, but at least I've got this thing with my liking. And I have got the DragonFly up to where it's going to be visible for not only me, but for everybody else. While Zoom can do virtual backgrounds, unfortunately, my green screen is not wide enough. So I'm going to have to figure out a way to extend it. I've got some green felt. These tablecloths here that were delivered in error, and my sister opened it and threw the package away before we realized that they hadn't been ordered by Jennifer. They're too dark. They won't work. So I'll have to do some digging over the weekend to dig things out like I want. So that this is just to see how the dragonfly would look hanging up back there. It's a bit fuzzy because of the camera range. There's no way to hang it in midair unless I suspend it to. Although I do have a light fixture up there, I could just let it hang right down here. But then I'd probably kill myself on it later. So that's probably not a good idea. Anyway, we've been on here, what, 30? Oh, it just, I know we haven't been on here 34 minutes. I must have had this thing open beforehand. Oops. I don't know what I keep pushing my hand up. Anyway, this was just a test to see if I got most of the shine off the start green and got the dragonfly up. And it's up. Unfortunately, even this doesn't do it full justice because it is just so beautiful. That moon shines, and it's really, really great. I may have to play with even putting a separate camera up directly over there somewhere aimed directly at it. But that's for another time. I just wanted y'all to see. Basically, I'll probably use this as my setup when I'm online. Um, Probably won't be using any virtual green screens until I figure out how to do something. Because if I use a virtual green screen and have the dragonfly up, then the dragonfly tends to go crazy with things going through depending on what color, whether I'm taking out green or blue or whatever, it gets crazy. Anyway, I just wanted y'all to have a quick look at what is happening here. Thanks.